Hello guys, welcome to Destiny Photography channel. Today we are going to unbox DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. This one is the refurbished unit that comes with the RC-N1 controller. So let's go ahead and open it up. We are greeted with the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone itself. The very first thing that you notice is its incredible and compact design, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. Beneath the drone, we find a range of accessories, including 2 propellers, screwdriver to change your propellers when they are worn out, charging cables, documentations to start with, and the remote controller itself, that is the RC-N1 controller. This drone has been available for a while, but with the release of the Mini 4 Pro, prices start to drop. That's all you get when you go with the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone with the RC-N1 controller. Let's go ahead and unfold the drone. The aircraft weighs less than 250 grams, and with the FAA rules, all drones must be registered except those drones that weigh less than 250 grams and are flown for recreational purpose. Nevertheless, you must still obey all safety and airspace rules. For recreational purposes, you must obtain your trust exams. I'll leave a link in the description if you're a recreational pilot or you're interested in flying your drone for recreational purpose only and would like to take the exams. Here we have the 2 controllers, that is the RC with inbuilt screen and the RC-N1 which does not come with inbuilt screen. Personally, I prefer flying my drone with RC controller as it comes with an inbuilt 5.5-inch screen and weighs about 380 grams. The RC1 must be paired with your mobile device in order to use it. It's so inconvenient to me. The drone comes with a battery which can last for 38 minutes. I did not get a fly mode combo because I do have extra batteries for my DJI Mini 3. But if you want extended battery life, you can go for fly mode combo, which can give you additional extended battery life and a charging hub. And also, it comes with 24mm wide angle lens, which can give you incredible depth of field. The aircraft has USB-C ports and SD card slots. The USB-C port can be used to charge your aircraft directly. You don't have to take the battery off. For safety, the battery is placed in safe mode when transporting it. It can be activated by simply charging your aircraft. Once it is activated, you'll see a blinking 4 green light indicating charging. Unlike the DJI Mini 3, the Pro version has Directional obstacle sensing. We have 2 forward sensors, dual vision downward sensors, and 2 backward sensors. This will be awesome for new pilots in order to avoid hitting obstacles. Now we can go ahead and turn on our aircraft. To do so, you press the power button once, press it again and hold for 2 seconds. Once it's on and your controller tool is being turned on, you follow the prompt and select your aircraft model. Any updates that is available, you'll be prompted to do so before the connection completes. To pair your aircraft to your controller, you have to long press the power button on your aircraft for a few seconds until the propellers try to rotate. Once that is done, both the controller and aircraft will be in a pairing mode and it's going to bond together. Once that is done, your aircraft is going to be activated and connected to your controller. If you bought DJI Care Refresh package together with your drone, now is the time to activate it. Getting DJI Care Refresh package is really important. I'm going to do a separate video about how I crashed my Mini 3 and how much I paid out of pocket without the DJI Care Refresh package. Let me know in the comment section if you ever consider getting the refurbished unit or you prefer going for brand new drone. Ooh. If you like this video, kindly subscribe for more drone related content. Thank you.